Top 5 free US dropshipping suppliers. Finding the right suppliers is essential for dropshipping success, but having access to free suppliers based in the US is a game changer. With faster shipping times, better product quality, and no upfront membership costs, free US-based suppliers help you deliver an excellent experience to your customers while keeping costs low. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 5 free US dropshipping suppliers to help you grow your business effortlessly. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 free US dropshipping suppliers. These suppliers are perfect for anyone looking to provide faster shipping, high-quality products, and a smooth shopping experience, all without any membership fees. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our tips, strategies, and supplier reviews. Let's get started. At number 5, USA Drop. Kicking off our list at number 5 is USA Drop, a growing supplier known for its fast fulfillment and reliable service. What they offer. USA Drop specializes in a wide variety of products, including fashion, electronics, home goods, and accessories, all with quick domestic shipping. Why it's free. There are no membership fees, making it a budget-friendly option for dropshippers looking to start or scale their business. Standout features. USA Drop also offers personalized sourcing services, ensuring you can get the exact products your customers need. If you're looking for fast, reliable shipping without breaking the bank, USA Drop is a great option to explore. At number 4, Tundra. Coming in at number 4 is Tundra, a well-known B2B wholesale marketplace with a fantastic dropshipping program. What they offer. Tundra features thousands of US-based suppliers, offering everything from home decor and fashion to beauty and wellness products. Why it's free. Tundra doesn't charge any membership fees or commission, allowing you to keep your costs low while accessing their supplier network. Fast shipping. Many of their suppliers ship directly from the US, ensuring quick delivery for your customers. If you want access to a large selection of US-based suppliers without paying fees, Tundra is an excellent choice for your business. At number 3, Spocket. Next up at number 3 is Spocket, a popular dropshipping app with a focus on US and European suppliers. What they offer. Spocket's free plan allows you to explore their product catalog and connect with suppliers offering premium items like clothing, home goods, and accessories. Why it's free. While Spocket does offer paid plans, their free plan provides access to many US suppliers and is perfect for beginners. Fast shipping. With suppliers based in the US, Spocket ensures faster delivery to your customers, helping you build trust and loyalty. If you're just getting started and want access to premium US suppliers, Spocket's free plan is worth a try. At number 2, Printful. Coming in at number 2 is Printful, a leading print-on-demand platform that's perfect for creating custom products. What they offer. Printful allows you to design and sell custom items like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and tote bags. Their products are printed and shipped from US-based facilities. Why it's free. There are no subscription fees. Printful only charges you for the products you sell, keeping your upfront costs at zero. Fast fulfillment. With US fulfillment centers, Printful ensures quick and reliable delivery times for your customers. If you're looking to create a unique branded product line with fast shipping, Printful is a top choice for US-based drop shipping. At number 1, Synkey. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Synkey, a comprehensive dropshipping app with free access to US-based suppliers. What they offer. Synkey provides access to thousands of US suppliers, offering high-quality products across multiple categories, including fashion, electronics, and home decor. Why it's free. Synkey's free plan lets you browse their marketplace, import products, and connect with US suppliers without any upfront costs. Standout features. Synkey's intuitive dashboard makes it easy to manage products, track inventory, and fulfill orders seamlessly. If you want a hassle-free dropshipping experience with access to US suppliers, Cinti is the ultimate choice for your store. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the top 5 free US dropshipping suppliers. Let's quickly recap the list. Cinti, best overall for access to thousands of US-based suppliers and seamless management tools. Printful, perfect for creating custom, print-on-demand products with fast US shipping. Spocket, great for premium US suppliers with a beginner-friendly free plan. Tundra, a fantastic B2B marketplace with no fees and fast domestic shipping. USA Drop, ideal for sourcing a variety of products with reliable US-based fulfillment. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, strategies, and supplier recommendations. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.